Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 566 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. This says multi-use concealer, instant coverage for under eye concealing, face shaping, all over face use. But then I feel like this has so many names to it. But then on the Ulta website it says Maybelline. Why do I keep saying Maybelline? Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer. So that is a mouthful, but I am so excited to finally be trying this product out. I have this big list in my phone of products that I want to try out based off of recommendations or products that I've seen people use in videos that I really want to try out. And this has been on my list for at least a year. I've heard so many good things about it. This is a product that's been around for a long time. It's very well trusted by a lot of the beauty lovers that I've seen on YouTube or Instagram. So I can't believe it's taking me this long to finally get it, but now I have it. I picked it up from Ulta in the shade Ivory. The Ulta website has 18 different shades of this and it retails for $9.99. And this packaging I feel like is so unique. You don't see many concealers with this type of packaging and application because of this soft applicator. I'm pretty sure I've only ever tried a product with this type of like soft applicator in like lip products. But so I'm really excited to see how well this works because under eye circles has been one of my major things that I've been self-conscious about my entire life basically. Ever since I started being aware of what makeup could do, I've been wanting to find ways to cover up my dark under eye circles. And this is supposed to do exactly that. It also contains ingredients that are supposed to help the appearance of your under eye skin, along with that anti-aging effect. So it says, to start out, you twist until you can see some product in the top here. There it is, oh my gosh. Okay. So right now I have my foundation on, but I didn't apply it all the way up to my under eyes. So I'm going to use this. Hopefully this color is light enough to also highlight my under eye area, but let's find out. Ooh, yeah, I really like this color. On my eye, it's so much brighter than it looks in the packaging here, which is good. And I'm not going to completely blend it out with the applicator here. I'm just kind of applying it. It's like a sponge applicator is what it feels like. I'm just applying it to the places where I want the concealer. I'm also going to do a little bit of highlighting down the center of my face because this is a brighter color. Yeah, I'm excited to blend this out because this looks like a really good shade. You never really know when you're buying online, so it can be very tricky. And I'm just blending this in with a dampened Real Technique sponge. This is the sponge that I use to blend out all of my liquid products these days. Okay, yes, as I'm blending this out, it's blending out really easily, but it's so brightening. And it's not the most intense full coverage concealer, but it is good coverage and it's brightening, so I feel like that helps add to that covered up under eye effect. But I would say this is medium coverage. Therefore, I am just going to go back in with a little bit more. We'll just see how it builds up. particularly on the under eye areas that are extra dark. I really do like how lightweight this feels and looks on my under eyes, because my under eyes can just hold concealer in a way that looks so heavy, and then it will start to look cakey and dry, and that kind of does the opposite of anti-aging. It actually makes my under eyes look older and gives my skin a very aged look. So right now, this is not like that at all. This is looking very smoothing, very light on the under eye. But what I'm going to do is continue wearing this concealer with this makeup look for the rest of the day, and then in the description down below I will put my wear test results. So I'll let you know if this ended up getting dry on my under eyes, if it started to get cakey, anything like that. And I should mention that I did already put an eye cream on my under eyes before I applied this, because that's what I do as my normal skincare routine every day. I do have a lot of lines under my eyes, so I need to try and keep that area very hydrated. And like I was just saying about the lines under my eyes, there is some creasing, so I will be setting this with one of my standard powders, which is the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. That's what I'm going to use today, because that's the powder I have with me in my new house, and I haven't brought over all of my makeup yet, but I do love that powder. If you want to see my review on that powder, I will have that video linked down below. But so far, I am happy with how my makeup is looking, with how my under eyes are looking, and how this concealer applied, how it feels, and how it looks. So I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this concealer, and thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.